Before asking the children to open their books and after exchanging greetings with them, you will construct an introduction that is well related to the theme of the poem. Whereas you should always keep trying to create and construct your own. The following introduction is suggested. Ask the students the following questions. What is that place called where children go for education? This question is rather too easy for the students to answer, and then you'll move on with the next question. How was your first day at the school? This is a very attractive question for the students, and they would recall their first day, and I'm sure they'll be having something to share with it. Do you like your school? Why? The first part of the question is too simple. Obviously, the answer should be yes. But then, to be able to answer the next question, that is why, the children will have to think a bit. However, you will have to be moving to the title of the chapter, that is, in the school. From here, tell the students that the new chapter is titled In the School.